Yeah, so I guess you could say I'm a pretty high energy guy. I live a very adventurous life, always spending time in the outdoors with my family. In the outdoors is where I feel alive. So I'm a chef and passionate about creating really delicious and healthy, pre-prepared meals that fuel people so they can dive into their own lives with energy and passion. My mum was a feeder, an amazing cook, and now I share the same passion for food. So my life is surfing, fishing, cooking amazing food, spending quality time with my wife and kids, cooking some more, surfing some more, and probably fishing again too. It's just a beautiful life. I just need gear that will keep up with me. I always invest in high quality items. Just like as a chef, I invest in high quality knives. As an adventurer, I invest in high quality gear. The Stratus Derrick table has become one of my favorite pieces in the kit. It's strong, it's tough, it's low maintenance and easy. I fill it straight on the alloy top. Then I wash it down in the water with a little sand scrub. It's so awesome. It makes me so happy to head out in the water, catch a fresh one, fill it on the beach, prepare a beautiful meal for my family right then. I just love it. No joke, I'd probably pack the Derrick over a mattress if I ever had to choose.